Hello, first grade. How are you all? I miss you very much. God be with you. Today's lesson is about environment. It's lesson 2.6, page 30. How we affect the environment. كيف إحنا بنأثر على البيئة. affect نؤثر environment البيئة. People affect the earth in both good and bad ways. الناس بيأثروا على الأرض، على الكرة الأرضية في عدة طرق. Some are bad and some are good. إذن في إحنا الإنسان له تأثيرات إيجابية وتأثيرات سلبية على الأرض. I want you to see the following pictures. Look here, the rubbish. Also here, rubbish on the land, between the plants. I think this is bad. What's your opinion? Sure, you find it bad effects. Also this waste. Here is a lovely garden, trees, flowers, and the people throw the rubbish here. It's bad effect. As you saw in the previous pictures, some show a clean environment. في إشي منهم فرجانا البيئة النظيفة. And some pictures show a dirty environment. البيئة القذرة. Not clean. But people, plants and animals need clean water and air. الإنسان والحيوان والنباتات جميعها تحتاج لأشياء مهمين يكونوا clean نقيين. الماء النقي والهواء النقي. So people, plants and animals need clean water and air. All of us need energy. كلنا بنحتاج الطاقة. Plants, animals or people. But also we make waste. We need clean water and air, and at the same time we make a lot of waste which make the environment dirty. So we want to see the things that affects the environment, either natural or man-made. We want to live in a clean environment because we need clean water and air. But also we made waste. We have to see how can we keep our environment clean. There are two kinds of disasters. كوارث, natural and man-made disaster. Natural disasters اللي هي الكوارث الطبيعية موجودة بالطبيعة مش الإنسان صنعها. Let's see these things. Natural disasters affect the environment but are not caused by people. هذه طبيعية مش الإنسان أثر فيها على البيئة وعلى الطبيعة. It's from God. It's from nature. من الطبيعة. Look at these examples. Look here at this video. Natural disasters اللي هي الكوارث الطبيعية الموجودة في الطبيعة مش من صنع الإنسان. Look here. Tornadoes. Floods. الفيضانات. Thunderstorms. عواصف. الحرائق لما تنحرق الغابات. snowstorm العواصف الثلجية. Also the earthquakes الزلازل volcano البراكين الانزلاقات في القشرة الأرضية العواصف الرملية sandstorms. These are all natural disasters. البرد الكبير hailstones بيجي البرد على شكل كبير. الجفاف تأثر على الطبيعة والنباتات. تسونامي ما يكون قديش بأثر. danger. This is dangerous. From light. Earthquakes can kill animals and plants, as you saw in the video. Earthquakes اللي هي زلازل تقتل الحيوانات والنباتات. Also human being. If we were here, it kills human beings also. A volcano, look here, البركان, is an example of natural disaster. برضو مثال لكوارث طبيعية. Also you saw in the video. Man-made disaster, الأشياء اللي من صنع الإنسان اللي إحنا بنأثر فيها على environment. How we affect the environment by man. Disaster كارثة. It's not good thing. It's a bad effect. Watch this video about man-made disaster. الأشياء اللي كوارث من صنع الإنسان. Not natural. مش طبيعية. Man-made صنع الإنسان. Look, hear, watch, understand. كيف الإنسان بأثر على الأرض. Look, here are very nice plants. We want to see how man affects these places and affects the environment. Look in the ocean.
Earth provides enough to satisfy every man's needs, but not every man's greed. Mahatma Gandhi.
Look here, how they threw the rubbish. This causes pollution. Look here, the gas makes pollution for the environment.
Every spirit builds itself a house, and beyond its house a world, and beyond its world a heaven. Know then that the world exists for you is the
الدنيا
phenomenon
والطبيعة
pervading
موجودة إلنا
what we
عشان
are.
هيك لازم
That only
نحافظ
can we
عليها.
see. All that Adam had, all that Caesar could, you have and can do. Adam called his house heaven and earth. Caesar called his house Rome. You perhaps call yours a cobbler's trade, 100 acres of plowed land, or a scholar's garret. Yet line for line and point for point, your dominion is as great as theirs, though without prime names. Build therefore your own world. Ralph Waldo Emerson.
Here, an oil tanker. If an oil tanker sinks, the oil spills into the ocean. إذا الناقلات النفط اللي بتنقل النفط, these are oil tanker, sinks بتغطس بتغرق the oil spills into the ocean. كل الزيوت النفطية والنفط بصير في المحيطات في البحار، تتلوث البحار. This can kill thousands of sea creatures and seabirds. كلها بتقتل المخلوقات والطيور البحرية. Anything in the sea can be killed from the oil. This is called a man-made disaster. هذا من صنع الإنسان بسبب ناقلات النفط بتلوث المياه. It's made from man, so we called it man-made disaster. A man-made disaster. Look here, a landfill. مكب النفايات. They put the rubbish any place and they make a landfill. They change the good land into bad land. They change it to landfill. بكبوا النفايات in any place. Here, fire. Maybe from a match. Somebody threw something. It makes a fire. We can take care and must not throw match in any place. How can we help the environment? كيف إحنا نحافظ على البيئة؟ Page 31. You have activity 2.6. How can we help the environment? You need paper, pencil, coloring pens. I want you to look around your school. Of course, you are not in school, but I mean any place, school, house. Where are you living? The street, the garden. I want you to look for the things that could damage the environment. Look at lights, waste bins, heating, water waste, air conditioning, and toilet waste papers. After that, make drawing of these and then label your drawings. I want you to think about how these things have a bad effect on the environment and how could you reduce the bad effect. تقلل التأثيرات السلبية. Read the activity page 31 and try to do it. You can do it with your mother, father, brother, anybody. It's very easy and simple. Here we see a picture of railway. Railways can be good for the environment because they can reduce the number of vehicles on the road. الترين سكك الحديد الترين بيمشي عليهم. They are good for the environment. Why? إشي منيح تأثير إيجابي. Good for the environment تأثير إيجابي because they can reduce بيقللوا عدد السيارات اللي بيكونوا في الشارع. مثلا بيستوعب 200 شخص 300 شخص قديش بيوفروا عدد السيارات so they can reduce the number of vehicles on the road. I hope you understood how we affect the environment. Listen. Goodbye. God bless you all.